Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Aston Martin Vantage. This is, of course, the manual, which it's a dogleg manual, so pretty unique. I've never driven a dogleg manual before. This is a hatchback. Just absolutely gorgeous car. Take a look at the passenger seat area. Absolutely wonderful. There we go. This blue color, the metallic, darkened badges. It's just an absolutely amazing car, especially in this spec. There's your dogleg manual. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. This button here turns on your rev matching. But go ahead. Turn it on. There we go. Oh yeah. It's just everything in here is Yep. That's needed. Please understand location of first gear. Before pulling weight, ensure first gear is selected. Because if you go where first is, it's reverse. Which there's all your reversing camera, front camera as well. Gonna be driving it in track. Opens up the exhaust. Trying to think if I should do the rev matching before or after. I'll do a little bit of both. I'll start off by doing it myself, and then it's kind of intuitive. And then I'll go ahead and I'll have the computer do it. Ventilated seats are a blessing in disguise. I'm gonna go ahead because they can't see me. Now, you will probably see me miss a shift or mess this up, because when you have 6 years of driving a traditional manual and then you go to a dogleg, it's super weird. Now that rev matching also works on upshifts too. It will hold the RPM where the next gear is, so you don't have to really worry about the revs falling too far. Engage it here. See? Told you I missed something. Down into first. Stepping out of an Evora to this, it's a completely different car. They are not the same or even similar. This is very much a GT car, but it's still absolutely amazing. Tons of comfort while still being really, really fun to drive. It's so weird that third is down and second is up, where first should be. Oh, it's just an absolute flip of your mind. Gotta love the pops on the overrun too. Starting to get used to first gear being there. That's reverse. Come on. There we go. Oh my God. Oh, it's an absolute mind shuffle having first there and second there. Because you go too far, you go to reverse, and turn on rev matching, show you how it shifts down. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.